going to show you 5 job opportunities, that is open jobs for functional consultants, specifically for Business Central. So watch till the end, where I'll be discussing various things like how you should choose the company and everything. And there is a I wanted to give you a big disclaimer that I am not insisting you that these companies whichever I'm showing is the best companies. Okay, so I'm not insisting on anything else. Whatever the opportunities I'm seeing, I'm just showing it to you, so that if you are looking for the job you can apply. But before applying, you should cross check. This is the biggest disclaimer I want to tell, is what the you have to go and cross check whether the company is good. And you should not fall in the trap, like if they are asking for the money or something, please don't go for that. So before applying and before doing, you should before applying, before attending the interview, after interviews, like you should think everything. Okay, so that is what I'll be talking about today. I'll be showing you for the functional consultant, right from the freshers towards the experience. So 5 job opportunities. So before we proceed, this is my channel, Goms Tech Talks. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed it, please subscribe now, where I'll be discussing a lot of opportunities, tutorials. You can find Business Central tutorials for functional as well as the technical. And you can find various things, like for preparing for your interviews and everything here. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe here. So let us see the very first thing, which is Business Central functionals. Okay, and this is Cocoon IT services. So you can first go and cross check this Cocoon IT services. And again, I'm telling you that you have to just try to log in here, because only if you log in you can apply. Okay, they have given the job type. So here you can find they have given it as a fresher. Okay, this is for freshers, and the location is Mumbai and Maharashtra. So you can see the full job description. So they are hiring freshers as well as experienced 2 to 3 years. And they are looking for the candidates who belong to Mumbai, or you should be ready to relocate. Okay, so you should you will be getting a hands-on in Business Central sales, purchase, management, and everything. So ability to document requirements, you should understand what is the document requirements and everything. Beyond this, there is no information. You have to click apply and log in, sign in with your details, so that you can see the complete information about to whom you have to whom you can contact and how to apply this. So I have, if you're a fresher and you wanted to you wanted to just go ahead with a functional consultant job, then I have 41 days functional consultant bootcamp for you. Okay, so where I have discussed everything right from the beginning, like what is actually a Business Central functional consultant, how you should be ready for a Business Central functional consultant. Okay, and everything. So I have discussed about these things here in this playlist. You can find 41 days functional consultant bootcamp. Okay, so here you can find that. So here is the 41 days functional consultant bootcamp, where you can learn from the beginning, like what, as a functional consultant, what is expected from you and what you have to do. Okay, everything. So you can just know about that. Okay, so this is how the functional consultant bootcamp you can learn this. So let us see the next job, which is by for 0 to 2 years. That is also for Microsoft Dynamics functional consultant. This is FNO, that is finance and operation. So you should understand what is the job description. Okay, I'll be telling you in the end, like how you can apply for this, like not steps to apply, but what you should consider before you apply. So you can see here, this is permanent job, and you can see what are the skills which are required. Okay, and you can just apply. You can see what is this company, about this company. So I always recommend you, whenever you're trying to apply for any company, you should first see, okay, whether what is the company is all about. And you should also check that whether this company, what is the rating of this company in the Glassdoor. Probably that will be like that will give you an additional information about it, so you can find it here. Okay, so if you're 0 to 2 years experience and you're looking for starting your career as a functional consultant, then you can apply for these 2 jobs. Okay, and if you require any personal guidance, like if you want a certification readiness guidance, or if you have any queries related to your interview preparation tips, mock interviews, if you want me to conduct a mock interview, so please don't hesitate to schedule a call. The link is in the description, please check that. And this is for the functional consultant, 2 to 7 years. So if you have 2 years to 7 years of experience, then you can consider this. So this is actually posted 1 day ago, okay, and you have only one opening, already 49 applicants, but don't feel bad that because already 49 has applied, whether you will get the job or not. So if you have skill and if you are really doing it well in the interview, definitely you will get this job, so don't worry about it. And you can see here that this is what the skills they are looking for, and you can see the about the company as well. Okay, so you if you want to apply for this job, you can just register here, log in, and you can apply for this job. So this is what the jobs for the experienced. And the next job is for 10 to 15 years experience. Okay, so this is D365 Finance and Operations Senior Finance Consultant, and this is from Yamaha Motor Corporation. So you can see the complete description here, like what is actually expected, skills and attributes. Okay, and must have experienced everything, so they have mentioned, and what is the job is all about, permanent finance. And you can check here like what is Yamaha Motors and everything. So this is for the experience. If you have experience at least 10 to 15 years of experience, between 10 to 15 years, you can definitely apply for this job. So here, this is my ebook store. If you are planning to start your career in as a functional consultant or intermediate level, so you have interview questions. I have prepared interview questions and answers with what are the skills required, how to answer the question with the sample answers here. So you can find it for both functional, technical, and techno functional. Please check this, so you will get some idea and how to proceed with that. So if you have, this link is in the description, please go and check that. And finally, to talk about is what Microsoft Dynamics 365 consultant. And here they have posted on 22/5. So today is 28. So this is posted before 6 days. Okay, so you can just try to apply. This is 100% remote job. Okay, they are expecting for the experienced people. And once if you log in, you create an account, you can unlock complete company details and everything. So this is for the functional consultant, that is Dynamics 365 functional consultant. Okay, so don't hesitate to apply. See two things, but just understand two things. Okay, one is they'll be mentioning 10 to 15 years, but even if you have 7 years but you have all these skills, you can probably apply, you can definitely apply. And before applying for the job, just try to see the job description and look whether all these keywords are there in your resume. See, I'm not asking you to do frauds. Okay, I'm not asking you to manipulate your resume. I'm just telling you, with just cross check, you may have all these skills in you, in your resume. But see here, they have mentioned strong analytical, problem solving, and communication skill. So this particular word you might not have mentioned in your resume. Okay, what you should do, you should first, whenever you are planning to apply for any job, I request you to first check completely your resume. Even today, if you are applying for after 2 days, but don't think like, okay, my resume is up to date, I will upload it. Don't do that. Just try to revisit your resume and see whether all these, you may have all these skills, you will be having all these skills, but you might not have mentioned that in your resume. So please go and check that and try to add these skills in your resume, so that your resume will be shortlisted for the first round. Second thing is, whatever you know, just answer. Whatever you don't know, frankly accept that I don't know this, but I'm trying to learn it soon. I will definitely learn it soon. Give that confidence to the interviewer, so that he will feel like you are ready to learn anything. So being a fresher entering into the business central related job is little difficult, but yes, you can do it if you have confidence, and if you are doing it in a right way. Okay, so that is what I usually recommend. So watch my video. So I am planning to upload job opportunities for business central, Power BI, Power Apps, of course, for everything. Okay, for technology related thing. So if you have any queries, you can just let me know. And I have my own blog. So if you haven't if you're not following my blog, please go and follow that, because I will be uploading all these details in my blog as well. Sometimes you may miss my videos, but if you are following my blog, then definitely you can see all the like here you can see I have posted the jobs for this. Okay, so just click here, you can follow my blogs. So the you can see the follow so the link is also my to if you want to follow my blog, the link is in the description, so you can check that. Okay, so you can find it. And don't hesitate, don't forget to follow my blog. Okay, so there will be a link, or else if you just open my blog, no, learnwithgoms.com, you can find there will be a follow options. Okay, so just scroll down, you can see the follow options. It's, I think it's loading. Yeah, here you can just click here follow, so that you can easily follow my blog. Okay, so yes, I'll meet you soon with the next exciting opportunities and more tutorials. Thank you, take care, and bye bye. I'll meet you soon.